just me? Or is this trip way more tiring the second time?
Yeah, I'm having deja vu.
We did our whole trip again and still no Bob's Library.
Stand. I'm stuck. It's okay,
How are we supposed to find such a small book in such a big world?
I just
Think,
need a
Rolly.
rope.
There must be someplace we forgot.
Hurry!
Where else
Rolly.
did we
Rolly.
go?
Rolly! Bob got a tag for you in every place we
find
went.
the rope?
Maybe they'll jog our memories.
Ooh, good tagging,
my
Bingo.
backpack.
I mean,
Right.
good thinking.
Say backpack. Quick! Can you find the rope? There it is! Right! Yum, yum, yum! Delicioso! Thanks for the rope. Here it comes!
All right, hold still.
Okay.
Well,
I got
Egypt,
it.
We're already here.
Australia,
Went there.
Italy,
Went there.
China.
Went.
I guess we did check everywhere.
Not everywhere, everywhere. There's still one place we haven't looked.
You
the
saved
airport.
me.
Back home.
Gracias,
Maybe Bob
backpack.
lost his book while he was buying my very last tag this morning.
Rolly! You're brilliant!
Tags, Bingo. I mean, thanks, Bingo.
Come on, we're going home.
Yeah.